Hey guys, we're gonna race this Honda Civic Type R. I think it's completely stock, right?
Yes.
Yeah, completely stock, and we have a stage 1 APR tune. So it should be a fair, close race since we're making almost the same exact power. Let's see. Okay, the GoPro start. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm in fourth. Yeah, see you right at that shit.
I'm in fourth now.
Yeah, I just had to shift again.
And I was still in fourth, like I just braked. Dang. Yeah.
Even my third doesn't last that long.
That's why like my gears are very long.
Oh,
All right, yeah, let's go. Let's go now.
Yep.
I'll get in the second lane, and you want to get next to me, and we'll do like a 50.
Yeah.
All right, let's get up to 50. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I redlined there.
There it is.
Nice. I redlined third gear. Yeah. But you did pull on me. I redlined third gear there.
Oh, yeah, wait, we're up.
Right. You want to do a 60?
Yeah, that's cool.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. There's the gearing difference that I just pulled on you.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right there. Here comes the guy. Oh, actually, it's still going.
I had to shift there, so
Yeah, me too, right at the end.
yeah. We're very close.
Yeah.
Ready?
Alright, you ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Ah, shit, man. Bad shit.
Dang, you're gaining. You're gaining.
Here we go. Here we go. Still in fifth. Now we gotta go sixth.
I just went 5th. I just went 5th when you went 6th. Dang, that was crazy.
Wow. That was great.
Dang, that is so unbelievably close.
Wow.
3, 2, 1, go. There's your gear shift.
There's that gearing.
There was my shift.
There we go. I'm in fifth.
I'm still in 4th.
I'm about to hit sixth. There you go.
So close. So I love it, bro. It's so close.
Dude, this is sweet. I would have never thought. This is great. Man, I love the GLI. This is dope.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, this thing is so long. You're just sitting already?
Yeah, I had to shift. Okay. All right.
I saw you as soon as I was pointing out third, and I knew that you were shifting like that.
Yeah. I guess we could do it again down here. I'm so not used to that rev matching thing. It's crazy. All right, let's slow down to like 65 again, but that guy behind us is gonna get mad.
Okay.
All right, 65. 3, 2, 1, go.
There's that torque. Oh my god, dude.
I'm in third too. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I redlined it there a little bit. I didn't pay attention to the thing. 1, go. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. I had to shift there.